Are you having trouble getting your kids to do their schoolwork? Trust me, you're not alone. But don't worry, there are strategies you can use to motivate your kids and unlock the power of education. First, understand their perspective. Talk to them about their interests and goals. Show them how education can help them achieve those dreams. Find creative ways to make learning fun and engaging. Connect lessons to real-life situations and provide hands-on experiences. Celebrate their successes no matter how small. Encourage them to take pride in their achievements and use positive reinforcement to boost their confidence. Remember, progress is key. Break tasks into manageable chunks and reward them for their efforts along the way. Teach them valuable time management skills. Help them create a schedule that includes regular study sessions and breaks. Encourage them to stay focused during study periods and reward them with well-deserved breaks. Foster a supportive learning environment. Provide a designated homework area. Eliminate distractions and be available to answer questions. Show them that you are invested in their education and provide guidance whenever they need it. If your child continues to struggle, seek additional help. Consider tutoring, online resources, or engaging with their teachers for extra support. Remember, there's no shame in reaching out for help. Establish consistent routines. Consistency helps children develop good habits and keeps them on track. Encourage regular sleep patterns and maintain a structured daily routine. Finally, set realistic expectations. Every child learns at their own pace, so avoid comparing them to others. Celebrate their individual achievements and focus on their personal growth. With the right strategies and a supportive environment, you can unlock the power of education for your children. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content.